If you are struggling on adding a payment method to your verified AdSense account, then this video is for you. Once again, welcome to my channel, and here is the exact method. All we do is to guide you set up your AdSense account and monetize your YouTube channel with ease. Without wasting my time, let me take you to my Google AdSense page and show you what to do. So first of all, what you need to do is to log into your Google AdSense page. Good. Now, before you think about adding a payment method, you need to first of all verify your identity and also complete the address verification. Now, head on to click on payment info. So at this point, this is the main reason why this particular user or this particular creator cannot add a payment method. This part is showing manage settings instead of manage settings and add payment method. Now, the main reason is because the earnings of this particular creator is less than $10. Okay, it is less than 10 USD. Now, the minimum threshold that can enable a creator to add a payment method is up to 10 USD or 10 United States dollars. So with such issue, how are you going to solve it? The best method to solve this issue is to head on back to your YouTube studio, start creating more videos, and then if you haven't watched the video I did about the YouTube SEO optimization that can help you get more views and get more ads revenue. So if you haven't watched that, make sure you go and watch it right after this video. Now, let's also check in our YouTube studio. So when you open your YouTube studio here, you can also get to know the status of your application. So that is what I said earlier on. If you haven't verified your identity and address, you cannot add a payment method. So here it said no action needed. So when your personal information has been confirmed, okay, so once the payment threshold is met, that is the $10 that we made mention is met, we will notify you for additional information. So once the payment, the $10 is met, then they are going to send you a notice for you to add a payment method. Now that is the final step on YouTube. Once you add your payment method, you do not need to do anything. Everything is set yet, and your payments can go through once you reach the $100 monthly threshold. If you like this type of videos and you would want to get more, consider subscribing, like, and then share our videos to your friends, status, and everywhere to help us. Thank you.